is Sanjana. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make paper bag. You think why need to make paper bag if we have plastic bags? Okay, that's wrong what you're thinking. So today I'll be telling you how to make paper bag and coloring it and what are the uses of making paper bag. You carry plastic bags everywhere to the market, everywhere. And these paper bags after use you're throwing in the road. And these roads which are plastic bags are eaten by the cow. And the cow is being infected and most of the cows in India are being dead. In the future, this may affect the milk purpose. So today we are making paper bags. I think you understand it. So let's start. The items needed are for the paper bag. We need a old newspaper like this. So first I'm going to show you a demo. This is the demo. We're going to make the paper bag. So let's start. We need a paper and we're going to take the short paper outside. If you want to make a short paper, you can take it also. I mean short bag. So first, you're going to take the big paper, one of the big paper. And then open it. And you need a glue bottle also. And then the other side of the paper like this, you're going to apply glue. Like this, the whole page should be with glue. After that, you're gonna stick both the pages like this. Like this, you can have a stick. And then, if it doesn't stick properly, take the bottom of the glue bottle and then you can spread this like this. So that the glue spreads all over the paper. And then you're going to take the front page of the paper. Then you're going to go to this side. And then fold the topmost of the paper. Like this. You're not going to stick it down, just fold like this. And then the down paper which is there, you're going to leave some space. And then you're going to keep like this. And then keep this paper normally. Like this. And then you can press the paper down. You're going to take the glue bottle and then you're going to apply the downmost of the paper with the glue. And then you're going to stick this to the glue where you have kept it. Don't stick it fully. Just stick it. Leave some space like this and then stick it down. Don't stick the upper part. No. Next step, take one side of the paper like this and fold it and then open it. Now you will have four sides like this, like mine. Then you're going to make it like a triangle, pressing against it like this. And then you're going to take a piece of paper and fold it. Take the glue and apply on the folded side like this. And the other side should be stuck like this with the glue. And then you'll have two papers, and the first paper you'll be sticking it like this. So that no opening should be there downwards because everything is stuck. Now you're going to open the paper and check like this down that no holes are there at the down. No. Now let's go down and press this tightly. Now we have done a paper bag. Now let's design it more colorfully. So for this we need some paints, some paint brushes and the design you wanted to do. So I'm doing a heart symbol design, so I have took a heart symbol like this. So first, if you want to follow like my painting, you can follow. Otherwise, you can do your own color style. So first, you're going to take red paint and a bigger paintbrush. So you're going to take it and paint all over the page. Oh, you think will the paint come down? Then do one thing. I'm going to tell you one more hack also. You're going to take the bigger paper which you have took and keep the paper down to the bag. Now you need a water or glass to remove the paint and a waste cloth. So now we have taken the red color. Now we can start painting. Hi! So this is the result we got from the painting. I even actually did the heart symbols. And for this, oh, you're thinking what is this? These are the handles. You can get these handles from any Max bags or any fashionable bags you go to shop and buy. You can make this with a paper also. I have stuck it with a glue like this. Yes, this is the result. Now you can carry this bag anywhere you want, no matter how large the items you carry. But this bag should be able to keep the items inside. The length of this bag may be a little, but the items you can keep more. So if you like this video, please share to everyone and tell them please make paper bags, no plastic bags used. Bye bye.